Good morning, hospitality students and professionals. So, I, Suresh Karade, talent manager of IHM Gurukul, will help you to cover important medical checklists to enter in your dream cruise line. So, these are the proper medical documents which have been taken care by Chef Dheeraj Bhandari while his cruise line experience. So, we will cover in detail which are the sections which are covered in this medical test report. It is a total 20-page ebook you can have on IHM Gurukul application, which I am attached in the description box. So, we will first cover the details of that. Which are the list of documents and certificates which are required? The first is document provided by crew office upon disembarkation. The first is LOE, that is letter of experience. The written flight details, Pullmanthar medical form 3 pages plus medical checklist, bank remittance form, Am- Ambassador's port agent contact info, insurance card, written crew guidelines letter, invitation letter from port agent, harbor master confirmation letter, original documents when returning, that is first passport valid for at least 1 year with at least 6 bank pledges with necessary visa to enter entry in the destination port, Siemens book valid for 1 year, vaccines, yellow fever, international and MMR TD, basic safety course for hotel and marine, STCW 95, crowd management, hotel and marine, STCW 95, crisis management, hotel head of departments, assistant head of departments and marine, advanced firefighting for marine, proficiency in survival and rescue boats for marine plus hotel if leaders of mustard station, Malta license for marine officers only, COC for marine officers only, medical license or diploma for doctors and nurses only, medical lab test for medical examination, HIV test, physical exam for seamen, drug test various for various drugs, THC, cocaine, and barbiturates done no longer of 1 month prior to embarkation, urinary test, hemoglobin, thorax X-ray, VDRL, electrocardiogram, pregnancy test for blood sample done no longer of 15 days prior to the embarkation, stool exam for food handlers, bar restaurant, galley, HASAG, HBACG, ACAG, HBAG, echocardiogram must be fulfilled when any abnormality is evidence on the ECG or background of heart trouble or serious health illness. 2 copies of complete PME are to be given on board, including documents of 1 to 8 provided upon disembarkation. The next is if you need a visa for the next embarkation, what are the points to be followed? Necessary embarkation of or consult at your arrival. Do you don't If you don't get your visa on time, embarkation will be cancelled. You are responsible for ensuring your license, passport, and Seaman book and STC W95 certification, medicals, and other relevant documents. The medicals form must be filled and with laboratory to all the tests. Secure everything to be ready on time. Confirm your flight itinerary to make sure your email address and phone number are provided. To check your personal email ID of all the information, that the company recommends all the employees while on vacation to process the C1D visa in order to facilitate necessary transits in the US or any other country you are applying. Documents enclosed with this letter must be given back on board during your next contract. And the next year is the form filling of how the overall structure of the form is. The first is the name, full name, date of birth, height, res- respiration, pulse, body mass, color vision, field vision, chest x-ray, car, required test for different body parts like CBC, complete blood count, chest x-ray, routine urinalysis, metabolic panel, vision adequate for position per Barman requirements, medical exam of heart, neuro, extremites, abdomen, pelvic, rectal, neck, breast, medically fit if you are, that will be a good check on each of the mark. And for work and or unfit for work, you will have a detailed signature and the unit manager approval. The next is the consent for HIV consent testing, patient acknowledgement and consent and comment. And the next year attach the digital skiagram, chest view, and other reports which have been taken care by the cruise line. The RG diagnosticist, Satvik Diagnostic Center, and further we have attached all the documents which are necessary for the cruise line and which are the tests you have given. The reports should be attached with the form that you have filled in the initial part. And this is the basic overview of the medical test report. And further you will need to attach and submit the in physical form or in offline you as per the mention below in the description and the terms and conditions of the job description. You will have the a good passport size photo and all the documents, relevant documents attached as mentioned, and afterwards you will have the approved stamp and the job tenure of contract, so you can onboard on your cruise ship line. And if you are facing any payment issues in processing this ebook on HM Gurukul, or if you are need any help in choosing the diploma or hotel management degree for your culinary career, you can contact us for any advice or any technical queries on the given attached WhatsApp number in the description box. And if you are having any other questions, you can also comment below and we will help you to clear them. Thank you.